All right, guys, it's that time again. We're going to do another Moviepass update. They've kept me around. I'm still hanging in there. I'm still been pretty pleased. I haven't been able to do a whole lot. I've gone to the movies just because of the holidays and being busy with work. So anyway, I haven't really got to do a whole lot, but nonetheless, I've been checking up on this every other day or so on average, and seeing what's available out there. And they've done quite well. They're still having their problems here and there, but nothing too bad. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. It is Saturday. I think today is January 5th, I think. And, I'm just going to show you guys what I have available. Should have done this a little earlier in the day for you guys so you could at least see what was playing throughout the whole day. But at least you can see some of the movies being offered. Not too bad of a showing. Obviously, for me at least, I've been kind of wanting to see The Mule and maybe even quite possibly the Vice movie. I'm not sure how I feel about that one just yet. But nonetheless, at least it's being offered. Again, this is Saturday. It's at 5:39 our time here, and obviously you can at least see there's some decent movies to go see. They've done quite well outside of just keeping the good old independence rolling. So I've been quite happy with that. But I just kind of do these videos just to show you guys what's being offered, what's being played, because there was nothing worse and more frustrating than coming to this couple weeks and months ago and just having terrible independent films or even hardly nothing at all offered. So at least they're doing stuff. They must have had a good little influx, and hopefully they're still sticking around. But like I said, this is January 5th. You guys can see that by the title. But I just want to give you guys an update. I know a lot of you guys out there are actually still patronizing members. Some of you have left, it sounds like, and seeing if this is still worthy of hanging around with. So I like to keep you guys going and apprised of what's going on with them. So I hope you guys like these videos. And anyway, I follow up with these every couple weeks or so. But and I try to pick a good day, a weekend day when we all have time to probably go see them rather than just random Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'll keep them coming. Hope you guys like them. Hope you guys like my channel. As always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe down below. I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the YouTube process. That's what I need you guys for, to meet those 1,000 subscriber requirements and 4,000 watch hours. That is extremely difficult these days. So that's why I'm pumping out a video a day, just to get you guys as much content out there as quick and as fast as possible. Hopefully keeping you guys enticed and sticking around. So please help along there and click that subscribe video and come back and check my other videos. So hope you guys like that one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.